xenon tetrafluoride. Central atom is xenon, belongs to 8th group in the periodic table. 8th group. So therefore, number of lone pairs equals to 8 minus number of sigma and pi bonds 4 by 2, 4 by 2, 2. Then fifth one, xenon dioxide, the central atom is xenon, so therefore number of lone pairs equals to xenon belongs to 8th group in the periodic table. Oxygen contains each oxygen contains 2 bonds, so therefore 2 oxygen contains 4 plus 2, 6 bonds by 2, 2 by 2, so therefore here is what? 1 lone pair. Sixth one, xenon oxytetrafluoride, central atom is xenon. Number of lone pairs around xenon equals to xenon belongs to 8th group minus oxygen contains 2 bonds, each fluorine contains 1 bond, 4 fluorines, 4 plus 2, 6 by 2, so therefore number of lone pairs equals to 1. Then seventh one, sulfur dioxide. Sulfur belongs to 6th group. Number of lone pairs. Sulfur belongs to 6th group in the periodic table. So 6 minus number of sigma and pi bonds around sulfur 4 by 2, 2 by 2, 1 lone pair. Then eighth one, sulfur trioxide. Number of lone pairs equals to sulfur belongs to 6th group. Each oxygen contains a double bond, so therefore 6 bonds by 2, 0. The next one, ninth one is PCl5. Number of lone pairs of electrons. Phosphorus belongs to 5th group in the periodic table, so 5 bonds around 8 by 2, here is what? 0. Then 10th one, sulfur hexafluoride, central atom is sulfur. Number of lone pairs equals to sulfur 6 minus 6 by 2, 0. Then 11th one, iodine heptafluoride. Iodine belongs to 7th group, so therefore number of lone pairs equals to 7 minus 7 by 2, it equals to which one? 0. Then 12th one, 12th one, sulfate ion, not sulfonate ion, sulfate ion. So central atom is sulfur. So therefore, number of lone pairs equals to periodic in the periodic table group number is 6. Number of bonds formed also 6 by 2 0 because 4 bonds 5 6. 13 carbonate ion, C double bond O minus, here is also O minus, the central atom is carbon. So therefore, number of lone pairs equals to carbon belongs to 4th group in the periodic table. Number of bonds around is also 4 by 2. Here is what? 0. Then 14th one, PO4 minus 3, phosphate ion, then P double bond O minus 2 3. Now number of lone pairs equals to phosphorus belongs to 5th group in the periodic table. Okay, around phosphorus total number of bonds 5. So therefore by 2 0.